Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's show. I am so excited to talk about big ideas in a very.
Michael, are you okay?
I'm fine. I just forgot my line.
See, this happens when you try to sound fancy. Just talk like a normal person.
Okay. Let's try again. Hi, friends. Welcome back to another episode of the Easy English Podcast. I'm Michael.
And I'm Alisa. Today, we are going to talk about something simple but powerful.
Yes, how to speak clearly, even with easy words.
A lot of people think you need big words to sound smart, but that's not true.
Exactly. Native speakers don't say fancy things all the time. They just speak simply and clearly.
Right. For example, they don't say, I am experiencing distress. They just say, I'm upset.
Simple words, clear meaning. That's the goal today.
And before we start, don't forget, we made a free PDF for this episode.
Yes, it has notes, questions, and easy practice for you.
The link is in the description. Go grab it.
And stay until the end, because Sara will join us later for the word review.
Okay, let's start with our first idea.
Point 1. Clarity is powerful.
What does that mean?
It means speaking in a way that people understand easily.
Oh, like when someone talks slowly and every word makes sense?
Exactly. I remember a teacher who used very simple words, but every sentence felt strong.
She said, you can start small. Just start today. And I still remember it.
That's clarity. Not big words, just clear thinking.
So many learners think, I must use hard words to sound smart.
But that's wrong. Hard words often confuse the listener.
True. Simple and clear is always better.
Here's a small practice for you, friends.
Take any idea, maybe about your day or your plan.
Now say it in 10 words or less.
It may feel strange at first, but it trains your brain to speak clearly.
Try it every day, and your English will feel smoother.
Now let's talk about point 2, your tone.
Yes, tone is very important, but people forget about it.
I used to think I needed smart words to sound intelligent.
But then?
Then I heard someone explain a hard topic in a calm, soft voice, and it made total sense.
Because tone shows control. It shows confidence.
Right. Let's take a simple sentence. I understand.
If you say it fast and flat, it sounds cold.
But if you say it slowly and warmly, I understand. It sounds kind.
Same words, different feeling. That is the power of tone.
Here's something you can try right now, friends.
Say the sentence, I am happy to help, in your normal voice.
Now say it again, but smile while you say it.
Now say it one more time, like you are tired.
Feel the difference? Same words, but the feeling changes completely.
Practice this daily, and your English will sound warmer and more natural.
Point 3. Use simple connecting words.
Yes, these are small words that link your ideas together.
Like, on the other hand, or that said, or here's the thing.
They are short, but they make you sound organized.
Without them, your sentences can feel broken, even with perfect grammar.
Smart speakers guide their listener through their ideas.
Like a small map for your thoughts.
Try this, friends. Pick 3 linking words.
Maybe first, but, and in the end.
Talk about your weekend using these 3 words.
You will sound more organized very quickly.
Point 4. Ask better questions.
Instead of asking, did you like it? Try, what was the best part?
That question invites a longer, better answer.
And it shows you are curious. Curious people always sound smart.
You don't need hard grammar for this.
Just simple questions, like, why do you think that? Or how did it feel?
These questions turn small talk into real talk.
Here's a tip, friends. After watching any video, ask one follow-up question out loud.
It helps your brain think and speak in English naturally.
And the last point today, the power of pausing.
Yes, this one surprises people.
I used to think pausing made me look unsure.
But actually, pausing shows confidence.
Great speakers don't rush. They speak, then they stop for a moment.
That pause gives your words weight.
It gives the listener time to think.
And it shows that you are calm and in control.
Many learners think fast speaking means good English.
But real fluency is about rhythm, not speed.
Here's a challenge for you, friends.
Read a short paragraph out loud.
But pause after every sentence. Count to 2 before speaking again.
It may feel slow, but it builds confidence and control.
Over time, you will speak slower, calmer, and clearer.
And that brings us to the end of today's tips.
But first, let's review some key words with Sara.
Take it away, Sara.
Hi, everyone. Let's review some easy words from today. Clarity, meaning speaking in a way that is easy to understand. Example, her speech had great clarity, so everyone understood her easily. Tone, meaning the feeling or sound of your voice. Example, her calm tone made the story feel more powerful. Confident, meaning sure of yourself, not nervous. Example, he spoke in a confident voice during the meeting. Curious, meaning wanting to learn or know more. Example, she asked curious questions about his trip. Rhythm, meaning a natural pattern of speed and pauses in speech. Example, good speakers have a nice rhythm when they talk. Pause, meaning a short stop while speaking. Example, he took a pause before answering the question. That's all for today's words. Try using them in your daily talk.
Thank you, Sara. That was super helpful.
And thank you, friends, for listening today.
We hope these tips help you speak clearly and calmly.
If this episode helped you, share it with a friend.
And don't forget your free PDF, linked in the description.
We'll see you next time with more simple English tips.
Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and don't forget to pause.
See you next time on the Easy English Podcast.